Types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Sounds scary? I will make it crystal clear in 2 minutes, and trust me, you will love how simple it is. Supervised learning: you give the machine labeled data like photos labeled cat or dog. It learns from this example to predict new ones. Let's take one example: email spam detection. Number 2, unsupervised learning. No labels. The machine finds hidden patterns on its own. Let's take one example: grouping customer by shopping behavior. Number 3, reinforcement learning. Machine learns by trial and error. It gets rewards or penalties based on actions. Example: self-driving cars learning to avoid obstacles. That's it, the 3 pillars of ML explained in seconds. Next up, how ML is used in real life. Don't miss it. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master of Data Science.